So today, I'll be showing you how to install Shahid on your Roku TV. So, the requirements for adding the Shahid to your Roku TV is, before diving into the process of adding the Shahid, ensure that you have a Roku TV device, an active internet connection, and a Shahid account. And here's the step-by-step guide how to add Shahid on your Roku TV. So first, power on your Roku TV and access the channel store. Use your Roku remote to navigate to the home screen. Search for Shahid and type Shahid using your Roku remote and you will see the Shahid app appear in the search results. And then install the Shahid app. After installing, open it and sign in or create an account. And then you should start streaming. Once you're logged in, you'll have a full access to Shahid's extensive library of content. And that's how you install Shahid on your Roku TV.